Hey there, so welcome to my shower. Um, I have a new puppy that is taking a while to potty train, so I'm having to babysit it until it makes a potty. So I thought, why not try to record something new? And I've been meaning to give this a try. This Very Good Ventures, very good start, so that I can have the internationalization, the very good analysis, the flavors, and just live record. I haven't done this yet, and see how easy it is for a person to do. Okay, um, this is the website. Just Google Very Good Ventures, very good start. You can either pay them to do a bunch of stuff for you, or if you're a single developer, you can just try Verygoodcore. So we click that, it takes us to the GitHub. It looks like the first thing we want to do is install it. Okay, so we can copy this code, open our terminal, and run it. But if you get this error, command not found, that's because there is a $sign here, and you can't use this copy to clipboard feature. So that needs to be removed. But in the meantime, I'll just copy this Dart pub global activate very good CLI and see what happens. Pedantic replaced by lengths. Looks like there's some new versions available of their dependencies. Okay, we downloaded some things, we pre-compiled, we installed the executable called Very Good. So that's like the program that we're going to be running. Pub installs executables into home.pubcache/bin, which is not on your path. You can fix that by adding this to your shell's config file. Okay, do I do it by doing this, or do you need to like open one of these up? If I just export path, is that gonna do it? I assume so. Cool. Alright, what's next? Very good create. Create a good project, very good project in seconds based on the provided template. The Verygoodcore template is used by default. Okay, it looks like there are some options we could use if we wanted to. Valid Dart package name, description. So it looks like you can set some of this up through the command line. You can change this later if you don't set the org name. There's a template. I guess there can be different templates. Core is default. Generate a very good Flutter application. Okay, so what is included? Cross-platform. Build flavors, internationalization, sound null safety, block. It'd be interesting if you could pass it a state provider or a state management solution. You know, plug in RiverPod or provider. That would be cool. But I'm looking forward to using blocks, so we'll just keep the strong opinions. Testing, logging, very good analysis, continuous integration. Awesome. These are all things that I want, and I don't want to have to think about them. Okay, so let's run very good create. Just like that. Let's type it out this time. Why not? Very good create. Okay, what is their little example doing? My app. Gotcha. Okay, so we need to give it a name. Let's call it dimmer booze, just because. Usage statistics. Let's do it. Okay, it's running Flutter packages get, which is different from very good packages get. Get packages in a Dart or Flutter project. Very good packages get installs packages in the current directory. Install packages in some other directory, so you can pass it a path. Install packages recursively. Why would I want to do that is my next question. I don't know. But if you know that you need to do it recursively, there's your command. Complete usage, get packages in a Dart or Flutter project. Okay, very good help, and that's it. We're at the end of the README. So it seems pretty straightforward when people use that term. Sometimes there's hiccups, but maybe there's not a lot of surprises. Okay, all right, check that out. Well, it just happened. We have check marks. That I assume is good. Created a very good app for a very good puppy. Sometimes. Looking for more features, we have an enterprise-grade solution for companies called Very Good Start. I don't have money for that, so that's good. All right, let's see what we've got here. Dimmer booze. CD dimmer booze. Everything is fine there. Okay, I'm in the dimmer booze project. And now, very good packages get. Do I still need to run that? See, I feel like it just does it for me when I created it. What is the difference in very good packages get and the thing that it is running called Flutter packages get? That would be helpful to know about. Okay. I now want to learn how to open Android Studio from terminal. Is it Android dot? Go away. Yes, go away. CD into the directory studio.sh. /studio.sh. Created this symlink, typing the word studio. The /studio.sh? No. That didn't work. Alright, anyways. Why don't we open go up a level. I always forget in Mac how to go up a level without going to the root, because I grew up on Windows machines and I think an old dog cannot learn new tricks. So I think it's this one. organize by name because I know my alphabet. No. Aha! Now we can use this button because it knows about it. Dimmer booze. Open in a new window, please. Okay, I kind of assume this is going to be a counter app. Okay, yeah, so there's all my stuff. Like they've got internationalization, that's beautiful. We've got app folder, there's the counter folder, there's the qubits. From block, there's the internationalization, bootstrap, here's our flavors. Yeah, pretty straightforward so far. My laptop is humming. Let's open this in web. I feel like that might be a little faster. And let's run it. Okay. Okie dokie. Starting the DevTools. Let's see, what else do we have here? They have a wiki. Anything going on in here? I don't know what just happened. No, it just goes to the same page. Okay. It's written all in Dart. Very nice. Verygoodcore. Create a fly project. There it is. Upon first use, you will be prompted about anonymous usage statistics. You can adjust these settings like so. Okay, so we opted into that. CD, Flutter packages, Git. So this verygoodcore.md, this file I'm looking at now, this appears to be a little more detailed. Okay. Development, staging, production. Each flavor has dedicated entry point. Okay, they are named as such, so it is obvious. It can be used to set up, instantiate, and or inject flavor-specific dependencies into the application. Okay, so our logging could be different based on our environment. I want to configure that to point to a different endpoint for each flavor. Okay. Okay, so that's how you run specifically against those target flavors. Cool. So they say, why Verygoodcore? We like the simplicity and developer experience of running Flutter Create when getting started on a new project. We wanted to provide a similar experience with Verygood Create, which built on top of Flutter Create and includes the core standards and best practices we use at Verygood Ventures. We built the CLI to be extensible so it could potentially support multiple commands and templates in the future. Yeah, the main nice thing about this is like you can start with a good opinionated framework application and use those opinions, those best practices according to VGV, and just get started solving problems instead of configuring an application. So it's really nice. Okay. Best practices. I'm going to read that later. Testing. Testing is good. So you run your test. Look at the generated coverage. Translations. Okay, that's important. If you release your app in multiple countries. Okay. Continuous integration. Yeah, icons. Okay. Yeah. What do we got here? Okay, it didn't open yet. It did not like that or something. Finish with an error. Interesting. I wonder if that is an error because of very good, or if that is an error that would have happened on a regular Flutter create. Okay, I am going to, no, I don't, no. I just said this one, so please stop. Please? Please stop, sir. Stop, 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 stop. Ah, okay, that's doing things. Anyways, it looks pretty straightforward. I had an issue with deploying the web. I will see if the same thing exists on iPhone. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Okay, there we go. It's still installing updates or something, so I'll wait for that. Otherwise, it looks pretty straightforward. Okay, so good luck building your next app. Talk to you later.